Imagine waking up one morning. You check your phone. A notification. Your company has announced layoffs. Not because of a recession. Not because business is bad. But because an AI can now do your job. Faster. Cheaper. And it never calls in sick. Now imagine that happening, not just to you, but to 3 billion people around the world. That's not science fiction. That is exactly what Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and XAI, is warning us about. There will come a point where no job is needed. AI will be able to do everything. He said that out loud, on camera, and most people just scrolled past it. But today, on FutureTalk Podcast, we are not scrolling past it. Because this conversation affects every single person watching this video. In Pakistan, in the United States, in Europe, in Africa, everywhere. So before we start, hit subscribe, hit the bell, because this is one of those episodes you are going to want to share with your family. Welcome to FutureTalk Podcast. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into one of the most important questions of our generation. Will artificial intelligence replace human jobs? And what does Elon Musk really think about it? Let's go. Now, before we talk about Elon Musk's predictions, we need to make sure we're all on the same page about one thing. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Because here's the problem. When most people hear AI, they imagine robots from Hollywood movies. Terminator, HAL 9000. Some machine trying to take over the world. That's not what AI is. At least not today. Think of AI like this. Imagine you have a student. A very, very fast student. This student can read millions of books in a single day. They can study every medical record ever written, every legal case, every financial report, every customer service conversation. And then, based on all of that, they can predict what you need, answer your questions, make decisions, write documents, analyze data, and even create art. That student is AI. Now here's where it gets interesting. For decades, AI was just okay. It could beat you at chess. It could recognize faces in photos. It was useful, but limited. Then something changed. In 2022, a company called OpenAI released ChatGPT. And the world, I mean the entire world, stopped and stared. Suddenly, AI could have conversations, write essays, debug code, translate languages, compose music, draft legal contracts, design logos, answer medical questions. And it was getting better. Every single month. This is what's called generative AI. And it's the type of AI that Elon Musk and many other experts believe will fundamentally transform the job market. Not in 50 years. Not in 30 years. In the next 5 to 10 years. So now, with that context, let's talk about exactly what Elon Musk has been saying. The man behind the predictions. Elon Musk is not just a tech billionaire. Love him or hate him, and plenty of people fall on both sides, you cannot ignore what he's built. Tesla is reshaping the entire car industry. SpaceX is making humanity a multiplanetary species. Neuralink is putting computer chips in human brains. And XAI, his new AI company, is competing directly with OpenAI and Google. This is a man who is not just predicting the future. He is literally building it. So when he talks about AI and jobs, we should probably listen. What he actually said. Here are some of Elon Musk's most significant statements on AI and employment. At the AI Safety Summit in 2023, Musk said, "One of the challenges in the future will be, how do we find meaning in life if there's a job that's better than what we can do?" In an interview with Rishi Sunak, the former UK Prime Minister, Musk said, "AI will be able to do everything better than humans. There will come a point where no job is needed. AI can do everything." He's also predicted that AI will eventually surpass the combined intelligence of all humans on Earth. He calls this a magic genie, powerful enough to solve all problems, but dangerous if it doesn't go well. But here's the nuance. What's interesting, and what most media headlines miss, is that Elon Musk doesn't say job displacement is only bad. He actually says it could be liberating. His argument is this: if AI can do all the work, then humans don't have to work to survive. We could pursue what we actually love: art, connection, exploration, passion projects. But, and this is a huge but, that only works if society is restructured to support people who are displaced. Which brings us to something called universal basic income. We'll get to that later. For now, the key point is this: Elon Musk believes AI job replacement is coming. He's not sure it's all bad, but he is sure it's going to be massive, disruptive, and fast. So let's look at what's already happening. This is not theoretical anymore. AI is already replacing jobs. Right now, as we record this episode, let me walk you through the sectors most affected. 1. Customer service and call centers. This is perhaps the biggest one for countries like Pakistan, India, and the Philippines, where millions of people work in call centers. AI chatbots can now handle 70 to 80% of all customer inquiries without a human. Companies like Amazon, Bank of America, and thousands of others are replacing human agents with AI systems that are available 24/7, never get tired, and cost almost nothing per conversation. IBM announced it was pausing hiring for roles that AI could replace. That's roughly 7,800 positions. 2. Data entry and administrative work. Anywhere humans are processing forms, entering data, updating spreadsheets, or managing records, AI is faster, cheaper, and more accurate. Companies are already saving billions of dollars by automating these tasks. Accounting firms, hospitals, government offices, all affected. 3. Content writing and journalism. AI can now write news articles, product descriptions, social media posts, marketing copy, and basic reports. CNET started using AI to write financial articles. The Associated Press uses AI for earnings reports. Thousands of freelance writers are already reporting dramatic drops in work. 4. Software coding, entry level. This is a surprising one that even tech workers didn't see coming. GitHub Copilot and similar AI tools can write large chunks of code automatically. Junior developers, the entry-level position many tech graduates aim for, are finding it much harder to get hired. Senior developers are still safe, for now, but even their roles are evolving. 5. Transportation. Self-driving technology is still being refined, but it's advancing fast. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, delivery workers, these jobs employ tens of millions of people globally. The question is not if they will be automated, it's when. 6. Manufacturing. Robot arms in factories are not new, but the latest AI-powered robots can handle far more complex tasks. From assembling electronics to packaging food, automation is accelerating globally. In China alone, over 1.5 million industrial robots are currently operating in factories. 7. Translation and language services. AI translation tools like DeepL and Google Translate have become extraordinarily accurate. The market for human translators is shrinking rapidly, except for highly specialized legal or creative work. The pattern is clear. If a job can be described as a set of repeatable steps, AI can learn it. And once AI learns it, it can do it better, faster, and cheaper. Okay, I know that last segment felt heavy, so let's talk about the other side of the coin. Because not all jobs are equal when it comes to AI risk. And some jobs that you might expect to be safe, actually aren't. And some jobs that seem simple, are very hard for AI. Let's break it down. Jobs that are relatively safe, for now. 1. Skilled trades. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters. This surprises many people. But think about it. A plumber doesn't just follow a script. They enter new environments every day. They solve unexpected problems. They use their hands in complex, unstructured ways. AI cannot do that, at least not at scale for many years to come. 2. Mental health professionals. Therapists, counselors, psychologists. Human beings crave human connection, especially in emotional moments. AI can provide information and even support, but it cannot replace the genuine empathy and presence of a trained human counselor. The mental health field is growing rapidly worldwide. 3. Teachers and educators. AI can personalize learning, but great teaching is about inspiration, mentorship, and human connection, especially for young children and students who need guidance, not just information. The role of educators is evolving, not disappearing. 4. Healthcare practitioners, nurses, surgeons, doctors. AI is transforming diagnosis and data analysis in medicine, but the physical, emotional, and ethical complexity of healthcare requires human professionals. A robot might assist in surgery, but the surgeon still makes critical decisions. 5. Leaders and managers. AI can analyze data and provide recommendations, but leadership requires vision, moral judgment, political navigation, and the ability to inspire people. These are deeply human skills. 6. Creative professionals, the deep end. AI can generate content, but original creative vision, cultural context, emotional authenticity, these are still human advantages. The creative professionals who will thrive are those who use AI as a tool rather than competing against it. The key insight. The jobs most at risk share a common trait. They involve predictable, repetitive tasks with clear inputs and outputs. The jobs that are safest share a different common trait. They require complex physical dexterity in unstructured environments, deep human empathy, creative intuition, or high-stakes moral judgment. The message is not, learn to code and you'll be fine. The message is, develop deeply human skills and learn to work with AI, not against it. One thing I want to be very clear about: the AI job displacement conversation is not the same everywhere. It looks very different depending on where you live. And I want to speak to our global audience directly. The United States and Western Europe. These economies are already seeing major disruptions in knowledge work, finance, law, consulting, tech. White-collar jobs that once felt completely secure are now being automated at scale. The tech sector alone laid off over 260,000 workers in 2023, partly due to AI efficiency gains. Goldman Sachs estimated AI could expose 300 million full-time jobs globally to automation. South Asia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. For South Asian economies, the risk is concentrated in specific sectors: IT outsourcing, call centers, textile manufacturing, and data processing. These industries employ tens of millions of people. Pakistan's IT export industry, which has grown significantly, now faces pressure as AI tools reduce the need for outsourced coding, content, and customer support. However, and this is important, the scale of human workforce in South Asia also means there is massive opportunity if these economies can pivot toward AI-augmented work rather than AI-replaced work. Africa. Many African economies are still in early stages of development. The worry here is a leapfrog trap, where AI adoption by global companies prevents developing nations from building their own manufacturing and service industries, which is how previous generations of countries built wealth. At the same time, Africa has a young population that could potentially become global AI talent if the right investments in education happen now. China and East Asia. China is aggressively investing in AI and automation. The government has made it a national priority. While this is creating massive economic power, it is also accelerating manufacturing displacement within China itself, as even Chinese workers are being replaced by Chinese robots. The common thread. Across every country, the workers most vulnerable are those with limited access to retraining, in economies without strong social safety nets, in sectors where AI can replicate tasks cheaply. This is fundamentally a question of inequality. Will AI make the rich richer and leave everyone else behind? Or can society adapt fast enough to ensure the benefits are shared? That brings us to the most controversial economic idea of our time: universal basic income, UBI. The idea that governments should give every citizen a regular payment, enough to cover basic needs, regardless of whether they work. It sounds radical, but it is being seriously discussed, and even tested, by governments around the world. And Elon Musk himself has acknowledged it may become necessary. The case for universal basic income. The argument goes like this: if AI is going to take millions of jobs, people still need to eat. They still need housing. They still need to survive. If the economy can't provide jobs for everyone, the government must provide a floor of security. Pilots have been run in Finland, Kenya, Canada, and several US cities. Results: in most cases, people didn't stop working. They worked smarter. They took risks on new businesses. They went back to school. They took better care of their health and families. Elon Musk has said the only answer to mass AI displacement might be a universal high income, funded by the enormous productivity gains that AI creates. The logic: AI makes companies wildly profitable. Tax those profits. Redistribute them to citizens. Everyone benefits from the AI revolution, not just shareholders. The case against universal basic income. Critics argue that UBI is extremely expensive. Paying every adult in a large country even a modest amount adds up to trillions of dollars annually. Where does that money come from without destroying the economy? Others argue that work gives people more than money. It provides purpose, structure, identity, and social connection. Simply giving people money without helping them find meaningful engagement could lead to social problems. Religious and cultural traditions in many societies also emphasize the dignity of work as a core human value, not just a means to an income. The honest answer: nobody knows exactly what will work. What we do know is that the current systems, designed for an era of full employment, will need to change. Whether that change looks like UBI, stronger social safety nets, reduced working hours, new job creation programs, these are the policy debates that will define the next 20 years. And ordinary citizens, like you and me, need to be part of that conversation. Elon Musk is not alone in thinking about these issues. Let's look at what other major tech figures and companies are actually doing, because actions tell us more than words. Sam Altman, OpenAI. The CEO of OpenAI has been open about the transformative risk of AI. He's proposed a global fund, funded by AI companies, to help redistribute wealth as automation scales. He's also been vocal about the need for regulation and international cooperation. OpenAI is simultaneously the company building the most powerful AI tools and the company most loudly warning about their dangers. Make of that what you will. Sundar Pichai, Google. Google's CEO has described AI as more transformative than fire or electricity. Google is integrating AI across every product it makes. The company has also laid off thousands of employees in recent years while investing billions in AI infrastructure. Satya Nadella, Microsoft. Microsoft has invested over $13 billion in OpenAI and is embedding AI into every Microsoft product: Office, Azure, Teams. Their philosophy: use AI to augment human workers, not replace them. Though critics point out the line between augmentation and replacement gets blurry fast. Elon Musk, XAI. Musk created XAI specifically to compete with what he calls the woke AI of OpenAI. His AI, called Grok, is designed to be more direct and less filtered. He believes competition in AI development is better than a monopoly, even if that accelerates the timeline. He's also spoken about building AI that is truth-seeking rather than just agreeable. Whether his approach is safer or more dangerous is genuinely debated by experts. The pattern. What's striking is that every major tech leader is building AI faster while simultaneously expressing concern about its impact. It's like a group of people and keep talking about the future.